your spirit team or collectively, I'm getting the message of this has been an activation. So receiving this activation fully, feel their guidance even more. This time the veil is lifting on this earth. So our spirit team can connect and collaborate with us. This is part of the intention of this lifetime, is to awaken our consciousness to the non-physical, to the benevolent forces of the universe. We as humans are resonators. We are like radios. We are transmitting and receiving information, exchanging with the universe at all times. This video is going to support you in raising your frequency. You're going to be supported by your spirit team. They're going to come through and help you raise your frequency. You're going to receive messages from your spirit team and a healing. My name is Megan, and I'm here to tune you to the powerful healing and transformation available when you work with the Morphic Field. We will tune to the Morphic Field, which connects us to the unseen energy and information of the universe. I'm going to walk you step by step through a short tabletop constellation so you can follow along with your post-it notes and a pen or simply meditate through this constellation. Before we begin, if you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Stay connected to the Morphic Field to support you on your journey. Okay, let's begin the constellation. Let's get our post-it notes and a pen. If you want to follow along like it's a meditation, that's great. We're going to draw that arrow up top. That's the direction in which the parts are facing in the field. Let's bring ourselves in. So we're going to write me now. This is you in the present moment. Let's place you in the center of the field facing forward. And placing your hand on the representation for you in this present moment, we're going to channel the energy, information, frequency, vibration of you through the field. So noticing what you're noticing. Tuning yourself into you even more. What is your experience of you in this present moment? Feeling yourself grounded. Also feeling yourself opening up in the third eye and the crown chakra. Observing. Becoming more present to this moment. Noticing what it's like to be in your body, to have your thoughts. How do you feel? What are your emotions? What's your experience of you? As you feel into your body, feel into your energetic systems as well, your chakras. Now, notice yourself receiving and transmitting information and energy. Notice yourself as receiving and transmitting frequency and vibration. Feel your relationship with the universe right now, bringing more awareness to it. Transmitting and receiving information. You're like a radio. Transmitting and receiving data, frequency, vibration. So again, we're bringing more awareness to it, more consciousness to it. Or consciousness to the process of transmitting and receiving. Let's feel into the word frequency. Feel into what frequency you're tuned to. If frequency is a range, and frequency is a range, feel into the frequency range that you are in, your experience of you. What does that feel like? So feeling the emotions of the frequency range. See if you can feel into the frequency range of beliefs. Let's bring in the next part. So we're going to write on another post-it note. Let's draw that arrow again, the direction that the part is facing. Let's place in, we'll call it raising my frequency. So we're writing out raising my frequency. Let's place this in front of us. So we're tuning into raising my frequency. Let's feel with one hand on raising my frequency, one hand on me now. Let's feel into how raising my frequency is showing up. How do you feel in relation to raising my frequency? What do you see? What do you notice? What's the feeling? What's the sensation? Take a few moments to observe. Who is showing up? Could be part of your spirit team showing up in support. Allow them to be there to support you, helping you raise your frequency. For some of you, there's a lot of your spirit team showing up. Including in that is your ancestors to support, your guides, your spirit guides, angels, archangels. There are some masters coming through. Members of the Galactic Coalition are coming through as well. So notice who is showing up for you. And that may be a felt sense of familiarity to you. That familiarity, that feeling is part of my spirit team. They are here to support us right now, especially as we're going through this frequency shift on Earth. So allow yourself to receive right now. Some of you may be feeling that your spirit team is working with you, working on you. Allow yourself to receive. Some of you may be feeling that you are releasing right now. So releasing lower frequencies, releasing lower energies of lower frequencies. So feel this deep healing right now. When we work with the Morphic Field, our spirit teams are always with us, always collaborating, supporting, guiding us. So open up to receive their guidance right now. What messages does your spirit team have to give to you right now? What gifts, what blessings? What do they want you to know? Perhaps there's a sense of remembering, the triggering of remembering who you are, why you're here in this lifetime. Also remembering who you were before you got to this lifetime. What tools did you bring with you in this lifetime? Tools, gifts, abilities in this lifetime for you to utilize, to serve yourself, to serve others, to serve us all in this transition, this frequency shift. What do you see? What do you know? What is your truth? Who is your authentic self? Reconnecting to your soul, becoming more aware of your soul's mission, purpose here, remembering who you are. And perhaps there are some words to say out loud, like, I remember who I am. See how those words land to you. Those are instructions to yourself. Okay, let's feel back into the receiving and transmitting of information, energy, vibration, and frequency. Feel yourself even more transmitting information, energy to the universe and receiving energy and information from the universe. See yourself also made up of this energy and information of the universe. Okay, and now also feeling yourself as frequency, vibration, feeling that range, that frequency, vibration range, and kind of feeling where you are in that range and how that range fluctuates. Accessing more of higher frequency now. Asking your spirit team to be more clear on how they are working with you right now. Again, how do you receive information from your spirit team? It can be a knowing. You could be hearing things, seeing things. Deepening your relationship with your spirit team. So your spirit team or collectively, I'm getting the message of this has been an activation. So receiving this activation fully. Feeling the activation in your body, in your energetic systems. Feel it clearing around you. Feel it clearing within you. A release. Don't exactly have to know what that is. Just feel the change. Feel the shift. Feel the transformation. Feel the letting go. Being more present in this moment. Feel their guidance even more. This time, the veil is lifting on this earth. So our spirit team can connect and collaborate with us. This is part of the intention of this lifetime, is to awaken our consciousness to the non-physical, to the benevolent forces of the universe, to remember our mission, our purpose here. Okay, some of you may feel like you want to integrate, so let's see how that feels. So we're going to place raising my frequency underneath me now, integrating with the energy and information of raising my frequency. So let's feel into how this feels. Always, our spirit team's always supporting us when we're integrating. Let's take a few moments to notice what raising my frequency feels like inside. What's the sensation? What's the experience? Perhaps there's a sensation of uplifting. I'm seeing a lot of crown chakras opening, third eye opening. So feel into your crown chakra and above. I'm also seeing this direct access, direct connection to source, to the divine. So notice what's opening up for you. These energetic bodies opening up, activating. I'm also seeing pineal gland activation as well, sparking, a remembering, becoming more present in this moment, noticing what's happening for you, releasing some of those old, we'll call them spells, wakening up, awakening to your purpose and mission does not mean necessarily that you actually have to know what that is in words just yet. Feel it. Start there. Start with I remember that I do have a purpose here. There's something I'm supposed to do here. There's something I set up to do here. I designed my life a certain way to learn certain lessons, to discover who I am, to remember. And there's something I'm supposed to do here in this lifetime. There's some way I'm supposed to serve. Some way I'm supposed to serve myself, some way I'm supposed to serve others. What is it for you? You are part of the divine. You are of the divine. So tuning into your true self even more. Again, noticing how raising your frequency now occurs to you. Raising your frequency may have been the sensation of connecting to the divine, connecting to your spirit team. How was the experience of raising your frequency for you? Notice that this is always available to you. Okay, we're going to leave this constellation here. Continue to be in this space and meditate as long as it feels amazing. Watch this video anytime you want an activation, want to awaken more consciousness, deepen your relationship with your spirit team. These YouTube videos are just a small snapshot of the healing and transformation and what we can access through the Morphic Field. If you'd like to work with me one-on-one, visit my website, themorphicfield.com. If you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please subscribe to stay supported on your journey. And if you got something out of this video, please hit that like button.